So can the phone catch the sound? Listen, watch, and listen for the clutch engagement and disengagement. Okay. Don't tell me it's not going to do it now. Oh, there it goes. I don't think it was sliding really bad. So every time the clutch disengages, it's scraping. It's hitting metal to metal. Let's see if I can get down there. Oh, and I don't have the lights on. Sorry, guys. Hear that? Metal to metal. I don't think this is replaced. I'm not sure. Let's see, how dirty is everything? Oh, maybe they did replace that shroud. That's expensive. So I wonder if from the accident, if it pushed back enough to hit the compressor, because it is definitely, let me zoom in there. Let's go not that far. Let's go about 2 magnification, right about there. Let's see if I can get up there for you guys. Okay, now watch the clutch. There we go. You hear it? Now when I first started this up, it was real loud. The first like 5 or 10 disengagements, that thing was scraping like you were holding it with your finger down to the pulley during rotation. So yeah, something's going on there. They're gonna have to investigate with a mirror and a flashlight and see if there's some strike marks from the front or from the plastic back into the pulley, or it was just a thrust bearing going out. And when the thrust bearing goes out, the shaft goes back and the clutch loses its gap and will drag on the rotation of the pulley. So we'll see. Oh, and by the way, take a look at the pressures here going now. So this is a 2015 350 Super Duty, and you can see the clutch is disengaged and the clutch is engaged. It's fully charged. That's it. That's the high side. That's the low side. R134 just been recharged with a factory brand new condenser. See you guys later.